Welcome to the future of motorcycling. Today, we're inside this stunning, high-end showroom, standing before a masterpiece, the 2025 VF. Honda CB750 Four. A legendary name reborn with cutting-edge technology, premium craftsmanship, and a whole lot of attitude. Just look at it. Sleek, elegant, yet aggressive. The designers have masterfully blended retro aesthetics with modern performance. From its sculpted fuel tank to the premium leather seat, every inch of this machine screams sophistication. The new 750C inline-four engine is refined yet powerful, producing a thrilling insert horsepower HP. Honda has enhanced its performance with ride-by-wire technology, multiple riding modes, and an advanced quick shifter for seamless acceleration. Side by side with the classic 1969 CB750, you can see how Honda has preserved the soul of the original while pushing technology to new heights. This isn't just a bike, it's an experience. The high-resolution TFT display gives you real-time data, navigation, and smartphone connectivity. With integrated AI-assisted riding aids, even the trickiest roads feel effortless. Activate voice commands with just a hand gesture and watch as the bike's ambient lighting subtly comes to life. It even features adaptive lighting, self-adjusting suspension, and Honda's revolutionary traction control system. AI integration, ride modes, and adaptive suspension ensure a ride that's as smooth as it is exhilarating. Luxury isn't just about looks, it's about how it feels. The ergonomics of the CB750 Four have been perfected for both city cruising and highway touring. The seat? Pure comfort. The controls? Precision at your fingertips. This is more than just a motorcycle. It's history.